in this act, they have said the same thing. The first power is given to the parties. That parties who bring the dispute should decide this thing. And if they are unable, the tribunal will decide. And if tribunal is unable, we have arbitration institution to decide. है ना? तो ये चीज अगर हमने ध्यान में रख दी, जहां जहां पे भी ये लाइन रिपीट हो रहा है, wherever these lines are repeated, just mark. Parties will decide. If they are unable, tribunal will decide. Parties will decide. If they are unable, tribunal. बस ऐसा लिख दो उसके बाजू में, so that when you are revising, you know you don't have to read the entire paragraph. You can frame the line according to your understanding, and you can write that particular answer. So parties are agreed to decide that where the arbitration should take place, and if parties fail, the tribunal will decide according to the circumstances, according to the convenience of the parties, that where arbitration should take place. Okay. Now, subsection 3 also gives an option by providing that arbitrator or the tribunal may meet at any place as it considers appropriate for consultation, for hearing witnesses, experts or the parties, or for inspection of documents. Okay. If the parties, agar मैं, suppose me and Svetlana, we go for arbitration. If we tell the arbitrator that we want everything in Mumbai, witness should be examined in Mumbai, experts should be heard in Mumbai, inspection should be done in Mumbai, तो Mumbai में होगा. But if me and Svetlana don't decide on that area, then the tribunal has a power to decide that where the hearing will take place, where the witnesses will be examined, where the documents will be inspected, and where the experts or parties will be called for hearing. Okay, that can be decided by the tribunal. Section 20 is clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. According to section 21, unless otherwise agreed by the parties, the arbitral proceedings of a particular dispute commence on the date on which the request for that dispute to be referred to arbitration is received by the respondent. Who is a respondent? Who is a respondent in a case?
Other party.
Other party. Usually a party on whom the petition is filed, other party बोलेगे तो any of the party it can happen, right? So usually a party against whom the petition is filed, जिसको आंसर देना होता है, ठीक है, right?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, so suppose I am filing a case against say Amar. So Amar becomes the respondent. Okay, Amar becomes the respondent. Amar has to defend. So Amar becomes the defendant, the respondent. Okay, so according to section 21, unless otherwise agreed by the parties, if parties decide on something, then that has to be followed. But if parties don't decide, then the proceedings in respect of a particular dispute will start on the date on which a request for the dispute is referred to arbitration. A request for that dispute to be referred to arbitration is received by the respondent. So if I file a case against Amar and I decide to go for arbitration, so Amar को जिस दिन notice मिलेगा, that on this arbitration is going to start for this matter, so the day Amar receives that notice, from that day onwards the proceedings will be considered to be started. The arbitral proceedings in respect of a dispute will start on the date on which a request for that dispute to be referred to arbitration is received by the respondent. Matlab, I will give notice to Amar that, listen, let's go for arbitration. From that day onwards, the proceedings will start. Okay. Okay. Next, section 22. The parties are free to agree upon the language to be used in the proceedings. If they fail to reach an agreement, the tribunal shall determine. Again, same thing. पहले तो कौन से भाषा में आर्बिट्रल प्रोसीडिंग्स होना चाहिए, दैट कैन बी डिसाइडेड बाय द पार्टी, एंड इफ दे फेल द ट्राइब्यूनल विल डिसाइड. ओके, ठीक है, यहाँ तक क्लियर
Yes,
है?
ma'am.
हाँ, ओके. Subsection 3 states that the agreement or determination, unless otherwise specified, shall apply to any written statement by a party, any hearing, and any arbitral award, decision, or other communication by the tribunal. And subsection 4 says that arbitral tribunal may order that any documentary evidence shall be accompanied by translation into the language or languages agreed upon by the parties or determined by the tribunal. Okay, now ऊपर हमने क्या पढ़ा कि कौन सा लैंग्वेज यूज करना है प्रोसीडिंग्स में, दैट विल आइदर बी डिसाइडेड बाय द पार्टीज और इट विल बी डिसाइडेड बाय द ट्राइब्यूनल. Now, if it is decided by the parties that we will use Hindi or we will use say Marathi or we will use say any other language, Oriya, Gujarati, Marwadi, say any Tamil, Telugu, anything. Okay, if they decide the hearing to be conducted in that particular language, then whatever is agreed by the parties, okay, or if parties fail to agree, ट्राइब्यूनल ने अगर बोला कि द प्रोसीडिंग्स विल टेक प्लेस इन अ पर्टिकुलर लैंग्वेज, so either agreed by the parties or determined by the tribunal, then that particular language will apply to all the written statements given by the party, hearing that will be conducted, award, decision that will be given, or some communication that is made by the tribunal. तो जो भाषा डिसाइड हुई है, चाहे पार्टीज ने डिसाइड किया या ट्राइब्यूनल ने, जो भाषा डिसाइड हुई है फिर वो सब कुछ सब चीजों को अप्लाई हो जाएगी. कोई रिटन स्टेटमेंट देना है, कोई हियरिंग करनी है, अवार्ड देना है, कम्युनिकेशन करना है, सब में वही भाषा यूज करनी पड़ेगी. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड द सेकंड पैराग्राफ?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then subsection 4 says that the arbitral tribunal may order any documentary evidence shall be accompanied by translation into the language agreed upon by the parties or determined by the tribunal. Now, when we have decided that the entire proceedings will take place, say, in Gujarati language, so if someone gives a document in English, that particular document has to be translated in Gujarati and then has to be submitted. ठीक है? Have you understood the language वाला part? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What we'll do is we'll wind up here because I'm not starting a new section. If I start it, then we'll not be able to finish it in its entire form. So we have completed till section 22. The remaining section